There's Benji and Checkers. Checkers and Benji. Oh, go pet Checkers, Braden. Pet Checkers. Put down. Go pet Checkers. Put him down. Put Benji down. Go get. He loves it. Go get Checkers. Pet Checkers. There's Checkers. Pet him.
Checkers.
Pet it right there. Pet Checkers.
That?
Yeah, pet Checkers. That's Checkers and Benji. Benji loves kids. He would be so perfect for a family.
Hey.
Yeah. Checkers. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Oh, and there we have Brewster. Brewster's a good boy. He likes kids too. He likes them. Yeah. Pet Brewster. Hey, Braden, look at me. Pet Brewster. Yeah, Brewster likes kids too. Yeah. 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 Oh, we got them all here. Oh.